Best places to visit in Jamaica. This video is brought to you by Sandals Resorts. Sandals is a collection of the most romantic beachfront resorts on earth, created exclusively for couples in love. In Jamaica, St. Lucia, Barbados, Grenada, Antigua, and the Bahamas. Discover the Caribbean's most luxurious beachfront rooms and ocean view suites. Enjoy an astounding array of land and water sports, including unlimited golf and scuba diving. Save up to 65% off all Sandals Caribbean vacations when you book online using the link provided in the descriptions below. To many people, Jamaica embodies the true spirit of paradise. Even Columbus called it the fairest land when he stumbled upon it so many years ago. The Caribbean island only spans 4,244 square miles, but has been a favorite destination for travelers looking for adventure, romance, and relaxation. Sure, there are many resorts and restaurants here, but Jamaica is more than that. A trip here is a cultural experience that reflects the island's many cultural influences. Jamaica has African, European, and Asian ancestors, and the dramatic landscapes marked by waterfalls, mountains, valleys, rivers, and mineral springs. Its year-round tropical climate sets the stage for fun at any time and entices the imaginations of over 1 million visitors per year. So if all of this sounds like an ideal way to spend your vacation days, then continue watching for a guide to the most unbelievable places to visit in Jamaica. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Number 1. Port Antonio. Located on the northeastern coast of Jamaica in an agricultural community, Port Antonio is approximately 50 miles from Kingston. This is a large port city that is famous for producing bananas. Before your visit, watch the movie Cocktail starring Tom Cruise, because some scenes were filmed here. Today, this is a family-friendly destination in Jamaica and a great place to stay with kids. Although it used to be a quiet fishing village, it has gained fame from the Hollywood elite, since celebrities and socialites have favored Port Antonio over the years. Other sights to see here are Folly Ruins, Nonsuch and Fox's Cave, the Blue Lagoon, Frenchman's Cove, and the Scatter, Reach, and Somerset Falls. Number 2. Montego Bay. Montego Bay is one of the premier vacation destinations in Jamaica, and for a good reason. It's located along the northwestern coast of the island and has lots of all-inclusive resorts that offer amazing views. It's also a major cruise port that has a lively nightlife scene. Mountains, beaches, shopping, nightclubs, golf courses, you can find it all in Mobay. But if you are more interested in history, make sure to visit the Greenwood Guest House, which is a plantation home, and nearby port town of Falmouth. There are a variety of accommodations here for vacationers, including cute bed and breakfasts, Sandals resorts, and chain hotels. You'll likely fly into the Sangster International Airport to get here, unless you're planning to go to Kingston first. Number 3. Kingston. This is the largest city on the island and a great place to learn about authentic Jamaican culture. It's a city of both history and modernity. As the capital of Jamaica's government, commerce, and art scene, you can find the luxury hotels, spa resorts, and quaint locally owned inns around the city center. One of the biggest reasons to visit Kingston is to learn about reggae music and culture. Bob Marley and other influential reggae artists start their musical careers here, in the inner city neighborhood of Trenchtown. There's a Bob Marley museum here that's definitely worth visiting. This area offers a different scene than the beach and the resort areas, and it's also more affordable in terms of accommodation. Something to keep in mind for travelers on a budget. Also near town, you can check out Morant Bay, which was the site of a big political uprising, and Port Royal, which was the home of Black Braid, the pirate. Number 4. Negril. This is an area of Jamaica that's known for its laid-back vibe and anything-goes attitude. Come to Negril if you want to get away from it all and escape your daily life for a while. You won't find high-rise hotels and big developments here. Instead, you'll find quaint bungalows, pubs, live reggae music, and a more intimate vibe. Satisfy your spirit of adventure with some cliff diving, or just relax while watching the epic sunsets along the beach here. The 7 Mile Beach is wonderful for taking a stroll, and the Cool Runnings Water Park is a fun time for everyone too. Number 5. Falmouth. Falmouth is a port town that dates back to the 18th century and is full of fascinating historic buildings. You can take a walking tour to learn more about this area's history and its significance to Jamaica. This area is surrounded by sugar estates and a well-preserved Georgian town. Sights to see include the Greenwood Guest House, the Luminous Lagoon, Half Moon Beach, and the Good Hope Estate. Number 6. Mandeville. Mandeville is in south-central Jamaica and it retains its strong British influence. It's a mountain town with the highest altitude in the country. Come here to learn about coffee cultivation and enjoy a charming, slow pace that characterizes life in the area. Number 7. Portland Parish. This area is on Jamaica's northeast coast, and Port Antonio is its capital. However, there's much more to see and do here than just the famous town. This parish is the leading producer of coffee, bananas, coconuts, mangoes, breadfruits, and ackee. Top tourist facilities include Dragon Bay Villas, Fern Hill Club, and Goblin Hill Hotel. Don't miss the Boston Jerk Center to try jerked foods made with traditional spices. Number 8. Ocho Rios. Another top tourist destination on the island is Ocho Rios, which is a favorite stop among cruise liners on the northern coast. This is a place to come for all-inclusive resorts that take the guesswork out of vacation planning. It's also one of the most scenic parts of the island. It's a nature lover's paradise. Take some time to check out Dunn's River Falls, which is one of the most beautiful waterfalls you'll ever see, and its waters fall right down to the beach. Other sights to see include Fern Gully, Shaw Park, Cranbrook Gardens, and Dover Raceway. This is also a great place to give water sports a try, and rent out gear from local vendors to get active in these vibrant waters. Don't miss the local food vendors to sample traditional Jamaican food while in Ocho Rios. Number 9. Westmoreland. As the westernmost parish of Jamaica, this area produces mostly sugarcane and is home to the city of Negril. Other things to see here include Seaford Town, Petersfield, Roaring River Park, Mayfield Falls, Bridgewater, and Savannah Lamar. Number 10. Accompong Town. To get off the beaten path in Jamaica, head to Accompong in western Jamaica. This is a safe semi-independent town where there are no taxes, and the gates used to be closed to outsiders. Today, you can visit this town and stay with local residents who open up their homes and even arrange home-cooked meals. The sights here to see are the town's museum and the Peace Cave, which is where a treaty was signed by the community's founder. It's an ideal place to come if you are looking for an authentic Jamaican experience away from the crowds and high-end resorts. However, if you visit in January, you can join the yearly Maroon Festivals, which honors the founder and draws thousands of visitors. To get here, you can join a tour group from Kingston, or rent a car, or hire an independent guide to show you around the community. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Also give this video a big thumbs up. And remember, if you're booking your Caribbean vacation, use the link provided down below to save 65% off with any Sandals Caribbean vacation. I'm Alexx. Bless.